get a new fish.
What happened to your old fishy?
The old fish is feeling sick.
Okay, so you are trying to get a new one.
Yeah.
Let's go. I think we need to wait here. We need to wait here for a while. How many fish do you have?
2.
Two.
Yeah.
I think you have only one ball.
The two fish not smash.
You can go. Wait, clean your hand.
Fishy.
Yeah. This one? You already have. So you don't need it.
This one is already paid.
That's why it's already paid.
But I like this friends and everything. I like this thing. It's already paid.
I think, can you ask her? I think we can go for this one also.
We can take 2.
Looks very pretty. See? Or that one.
Personally, I like his frilled tail more.
This one?
Yeah.
Go for it. Then I'll go.
So when you put him in his tank, you don't have to put all of this water in because it might be too much. But when you put him in with the bag first, so he gets the same temperature.
Okay.
And then add a bit of water inside that you already have and put it in, so he gets used to what's in your water.
Okay.
You do that 2 or 3 times. Each step about 15 minutes, and then you pour him back. Is your room hot?
Yes, we used to keep heater on every time.
Okay.
So you need additional stuff also?
When you're going to put him in, well, I would change the water first. Not be the same water as the beta you had before.
But the other one is cold.
Yeah. Well, you wait until the water is warmer.
Papa. Papa.
Yes.
You can take this.
I think that's too big.
Look, this is tiny for fish.
I think we are getting one, so that's would be nice for him. He can play around there. No?
Can you take this? Fishy can have this one.
No. You get perfect. Thank you. Really appreciate. And the plants also. We'll get the plants. Okay.
These little friends.
Yes. Yes, could be juniors. Thank you very much, sister. Yeah? Thank you so much for your help. Really. Have a great day.
You too.
Take care. Let's go.
We have more to do.
Yes. We got a new buddy. Yes, you can hold this one also. You have to be very careful. Show me.
I want this and you want this.
Okay.
It's not
You have to be
that
careful.
one.
You see the bird or anything there? Let's go.
The kids don't have any birds.
Yes, I think.
We love the birds.
Yes. Because of the COVID, no? They haven't kept anything.
That's
Little
one thing
bird.
for the rat.
Little bird is there. Hello, buddies. Yes, there is one more. Here. Here, here, here.
There's a rat too. Rat. Oh, see,
That's
there.
beautiful.
Look here.
They're saying something. Baby.
See, puppy. Hello.
What do you want? You want Lego or this?
No, now Santa's not giving.
Santa will give. I already spoke to Santa yesterday night. He said I could be little late. I have some more work. So, yep, once I get little time, I will come back. So hopefully I don't know, maybe he came already.
I don't know.
Was that?
I know it's this.
What is it?
That's hot sauce.
That's not looking good.
No?
I think you have the better one already. Let's go. We came here to check, only checking stuff.
We
Okay.
have to see the better. Papa, I have to see the fastest number. Polio. That's my favorite hospital car.
That's come here, this way. Let's see what's there.
Come here. Come on. Come here. That's my favorite car. Polio. Let's get this. Musty.
Why you need that?
Because I watched on our home. This
You want this one or this one?
one.
Why that one?
Because I like that. There are so many people. Polio. Yay! Musty. Polio. Hello friends. Today we got a new family number. I'll come for me. Look. Hello fishy.
Hello, fishy. Where is he?
He's a die here. Here.
What's his name?
Fishy Shaha.
His name is Fishy Saha.
Because the other last week I said the red and blue, that is Fishy Shaha. And the other one, the dark blue, that is also Fishy Shaha. 3 fishy we got. We saw.
That's nice.
We asked the dog. It is a boy.
Is the boy?
Yes, and the other one is the girl, and the other one is the boy. Friends, the fishy is a good friend.
He's a very good friend.
Yes.
We can talk to Fishy also.
Fishy, I like your patterns. It changed colors.
How you know this is the boy or girl?
See, he have changed colors. I know he's a boy.
You know he's a boy?
Yes, he have dark black and blue and pink. Yes, that's why he's a boy. I'm also a boy.
So is a brother?
Yes,
It's a Fishy brother.
yes,
That's nice.
yes. He want his second fishy. He want his small fishy. He want to go. He want to. He's sleeping. Fishy, do you want to sleep? Bye, friends. If you like my new family member, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel. Don't forget to like, share.